let's take a look at the patterns of multiplication here. So I have my number at the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and write 8 in both of those spots. And so I have 8 times 20. If you don't know what 8 times 20 is, do you know what 8 times 2 is? What's 8 times 2, Lila? 8 times 2, Lila? 16. And so we're going to write 16 here, but I know it has a 0 on the end, so I'm going to add a 0 to my answer. So if 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 20 is 160. So how about 8 times 50? Logan, 8 times 5?
8 times, well, wait, that would be 35.
8 times 5?
40.
40. And so 8 times 5 is 40, and then I'm going to add a 0. So that's the one we want to be careful with when we're doing this pattern, that we don't make the mistake of just adding zeros. We have to make sure that our product doesn't have a 0 in it. If it does, we're going to have 2 zeros in our answer. All right, let's go on to number 2. Who wants to give number 2 a try? So the number that we're going to be multiplying, the 2 factors, the factor is at the top. So I'm going to put that in here and say 7 times 30. Audrey, 7 times 30?
7 times 30 is 21, and that is 0. It's 210.
Good job. Okay, so she said that 7 times 3 is 21, and then you add a 0 because it's 7 times 30, and my answer is 210. Okay, Gio, try the next one. 7 times 8.
7 times 8 is 56.
And then?
And then add a 0.
And then add a 0, and what is your answer?
506.
560. Because 7 times 80 is 560. Any other questions on how to do that? All right, how many people want to do it? Give me a thumbs up if you want to do it on your own. Give me a thumbs up if you want to. Give me a raise the roof if you want to do it together. Raise the roof if you want to do it together. All right, I got a little bit about half and half, so we're going to do a couple more together. Let's do one more together. All right, Liam, my number is 9, so my factors are 9 and 30 and 9 and 40. Walk us through the first problem.
9 times 3 equals 27, and if you add a 0, it will equal to 9 times 30 equals 270.
Very good. Excellent explanation there. 270 is correct. And how about 9 times 40? Who wants to tackle this one? Someone who hasn't answered one yet. Lily.
9 times 4 equals 36. And then you pop that 0 on the end.
Because?
Because it's 9 times 40.
Very good. 9 times 40 is?
360.
360. Excellent. Okay, so what I would like you to do is I want everybody to try 4, 5, and 6 on their own, and then we'll check our answers together.